Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a setup file in Visual Studio. If you don't have a Visual Studio installer, you can download and install it from the Extensions and Updates tool. To play demo, you can create a simple window form application, then create a visual installer project to make a setup file. You can add an executable file, or add a project output to the application folder. You can create a shortcut to your desktop screen, then drag the shortcut to the user's desktop or user's programs menu. You can also add an icon to your application or shortcut. Every time you create a setup file, you should select Release Mode instead of debugging, then rebuild your project. You can also add a requirement to install the .NET framework before installing your application. Right-click on your setup project, then select the Properties tab. You can enter a vendor, product name, description, etc. for your setup file. Right-click on your setup project, then select Open Folder in File Explorer. You can find the setup file in the Release folder. Thank you for watching this video.